Sanibonani ma South Africa mahle. Sanibonani everybody. Hey hayi khona. Angilwi namuntu but ngiyacabanga ukuthi manje kumele ngiyibeke 99. Yabona? Kumele ngiyibeke 99. Ngiyabona uTsovila kazi ukuthi coach must be fired. Yo, angaze ngezwa enhle sisaqala unyaka usaqala uTsongathi usase ku December. He's a coach ngaleso sikhathi unama badge. Why anga coach namanje? Why anga coach? Why Tso unga coach mfana kithi? Somewhere nje sikubona ucoach because unama badge. Hayi reckless mfana kithi the way ukhuluma ngakhona I'm sure nale intwana ezidlala manje izo lose respect kuwe. I mean ucoach he has done so much. He lose now uyakwazi lokho. Now uyakwazi we've played the game. We win with some, we lose some. So I need to address you direct manje nale show yenu le. Uyabona criticizeayo nje kuphela only negative things kuphela and you don't follow ngama facts. Ngihlale ngisho awunama facts. Khona manje uthi uHugo Broos kumele acoshwe. Acoshelwe ini? Umuntu o build a team right kanje young players. Now we've got a pool of players. It database into beyifile besinganayo before this guy. Ungacosha ucoach wena 5 months before you World Cup. Lo munye kumela yenzini lo munye. No so hayi mfana ayikho lento iyabheda uthi yami awukhulumi kahle bhuti wami. Hayi and we coach. I don't know if abantu bayazi ukuthi we coach njani ekhuluma so. Lo muntu lona mfethu sigcine kudala ukuluza. I don't care ukuthi ubani uthini. I mean isithunzi sethu our dignity mfethu as South Africans gents. Sibuyile stadium bekungasayiwe bafana bengabukelwa before uHugo Broos empty. Everyone knows that. But look at manje ibafana bayadlala everywhere. Full house. Noma kasi full house but abantu they go a stadium they support. The support is back. A stadium kumnandi manje makudlala bafana. No, so you need to respect manje. You don't respect our head coach when at all. No. You don't respect Broam. We coach when why are you not coaching manje? Even NFD or Whoopi, whatever, ABC, sikubona win the league. Unama badge uhleli now you busy bashing people lapho kule show yenu le. Mina will never allow that for South Africa. Mina I'm defending South Africa. I'm defending our head coach. And sesikhohliwe now we need to sekumele sikhohle umsebenzi ongaka uyenzile lo mjito. And bring these young players the way sesidlala ngakhona nani. Yes, sisashota lapho nalapho vele. I'm not saying we are perfect, but this guy has brought sesine team, sesine direction as a country. And khona manje uthi wena basamgcineleni ngoba uthe uyahamba. So there's a difference between living and retiring, bra. I'm disappointed. And I've been disappointed long time ago, but manje I think usase ku December wena awakahlaphukela. Azange uHugo Broos athi I'm leaving. He's retiring. There's kunomehluko phakathi ko I'm leaving and retiring. He's almost 8 umadala. He's retiring. He's not leaving. So uzovela ngama issue. Angiyazi le agenda. I don't know. There's something. Angazi why ni push agenda yaka le agenda yenu le yaka yokuthi uHugo Broos must go in. It's stupid. That's a very stupid comment from someone like you so. Angeke mina ngithule ngiyimele lento le. Angeke. This is wrong. This is disrespect at the highest level. I know ukuthi abantu banama opinion indala nami ukukhulunywa ngami kubhalwa ngami. Yes, I don't care. You understand that? Manje sibadala so yithi former players ekumele si encourage wherever we can. We can't be bashing all the time or being negative all the time. Niduma ngokuba negative eshowini yenu. There's nothing coming up a positive from mlomo yenu. No junior. Khanya. Bafana bakithi yaya animeni kancane manje. Animeni kancane bafana bakithi. Animeni kancane. No, you need to stop it. eyiphi coach eke yasqualifyisa for iAfcon back to back sagcina nini qualify ku for iWorld Cup because sagcina qualify ku World Cup ngesikhathi sethu when I was part of the team and we went Korea Japan 2002 Korea Japan World Cup. That was the last time South Africa to qualify for a World Cup. And Kulum 2010 because we were the host. We don't play, you know how we host. Everyone knows that. Now you come and disrespect umsebenzi waka Hugo Bros, and then you think Tinabanye will keep quiet and sikshayela izandla. Angeke isebenze lento. Put some respect in Hugo Bros's name. So Vilakazi and Junior Khan and the players also. The current players, put respect on these current players. You know, isikhathi sethu sidlulile siphelile bra. Acceptani. You guys ngathi ninenhliziyo zimbi towards amajita, coaches and players. Isikhathi senu siphelile so. And angifuni ukukhuluma into eziningi wena so because mangakhuluma ngawe kuzomosakala. Ngiyakukhuza nje ukuthi bheka umlomo wakho bra. You've played the game but ukhuluma ngathi bodlala angazi bodlala kuphi phansi kwesihlahla angazi kuphi. You don't respect professional players, you guys. That's my problem. You don't respect them. You don't respect professional players, and you were respected when you were playing, or you wanted to be respected. But now awusadlali manje lentwana lezi ukuthi sihola imalini sizihola kamnandi siphila kamnandi ukudlula thina sekuyikwali. You bashing them high and low. I won't accept that. I won't accept that. Mina I'm patriotic mina nge-South Africa. And ngifuna ukubona njengoba iSouth Africa basinokhile singekho niyothini manje niyokhuluma ngani niyokhuluma ngeyiphi country manje. Hayi bafethu hayi it's about time sontshela thina manje nathi sidlalile ibhola ngidlalile iWorld Cup ngidlalile iAfcon ngidlalile ama-Olympics. Yes, I might not won everything or played more games or have more caps because of my behavior, and everyone knows that I took responsibility of my behavior. Kube nginama-cap abhaya even nange-talent anifiki nje kimi nje straight. Benimnandi ngendlela yenu but talent pound for pound nami no. Sekumele manje sithule thina simamelane nani niliwele nibhesha abo coach nibhesha ama player week in week out sithule. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. Khulani madoda. Khulumani something productive. Ehamba nama facts. You don't even have facts. Uzothi uHugo Bros ngoba uthe uyahamba lo muntu angeke akunikeze nix usamgcineleni azange athi uyahamba uya retire. He's retiring. Two different things. So disappointed bra, but I will never keep quiet udelela head coach yethu umuntu osipane kangaka mfethu angeke. People there